kale, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and a couple other things coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. I love when I work through a recipe and then I have that big wow moment. This salad is a wow moment. I finished preparing it, took a bite, and then I started texting everyone I love, and I said, oh my gosh, I cannot stop eating this fantastic salad. Something about it, the flavors, the vegetables I used, a lot of things are making this salad so spectacular. You're gonna need a food processor to prepare this. First two vegetables that I'm using are Brussels sprouts and cauliflower. Brussels sprouts, I trim off the ends, pick off the yucky leaves, keep the sprouts whole. Cauliflower, take out the kind of the center stem and then take florets. You have about a pound of Brussels sprouts, you have about 2 cups of cauliflower florets. I then need a blade attachment, but it's a cutting blade attachment on a food processor. So this little blade goes in there and then you set it to the thinnest setting. As I start to work through the Brussels sprouts, I want them really thin, they kind of get shaved, perfect. Transfer them to a bowl. Same thing with the cauliflower. Goes back in the food processor. Oh, it comes out so thin, like kind of reminds me of truffles almost. So into a medium bowl then, I've transferred the prepared Brussels sprouts and the cauliflower. Next ingredient is such a powerhouse of minerals, vitamins, nutrients, kale. You've gotta love it. We take it by the stem and just kind of run your hand across. You'll peel off all of the leaves. The stems we're going to discard, but I rip up the leaves, place them into the food processor, now fitted with a blade attachment, and you zip it until it's very finely chopped. Transfer your chopped kale into the bowl. The vinaigrette for this recipe is very straightforward. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. I'm adding 1 heaping teaspoon of Dijon mustard and then the juice from 1 lemon. So all of that together, whisking. You could kind of be okay with that, but I also wanted to add a tiny bit of sweetness. So about a tablespoon or 2 of honey. Whisk everything together and your vinaigrette is done. The final ingredients that go into the bowl before we toss are, I think, what's given this salad such a great flavor. Number 1, a very crisp apple cut and then in half and then into slices. Toss that into the bowl. I also have 1 cup of grated Asiago cheese. The cheese goes in the bowl, and then finally about a cup of pecans rough chopped. So you have nut, cheese, and also apple. Place everything into the bowl. We're adding our vinaigrette. Give everything a toss. I want it really well blended before you kind of take that first bite. I want you to taste it. Now we're gonna season with salt, taste a little bit more, toss again, make sure it's to your liking. I think you could serve this as a standalone first course. You could serve this as a lovely little salad to start off a lunch or dinner party. The color combination, the way it looks is fantastic. Love the flavor, I'm telling you. I'll put up some links on the story in case you want to know what goes with it. So maybe my roasted chicken recipe, and maybe a beautiful salmon recipe. This salad is a great side dish. The other thing, it also holds really well. So you can put this in the fridge, take it to work the following day. A really fantastic idea for a fantastic salad. I hope you try it and enjoy it. Looking for other things to enjoy and try, head to weekendатthecottage.com. Please remember to sign up for our newsletter. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also remember to drop us some comments and give us thumbs up if you like our videos. Finally, find us on your favorite social media feeds: Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I don't know what to call it beyond one heck of a delicious salad. Maybe that's going to be the name of it. One heck of a delicious salad by a Weekend at the Cottage. I don't know. By the time we post it, I'll come up with a great name for it. Hope you enjoy. Come on back and visit again soon.